So the unique point of the 2-year fellowship we are offering at People is independent class practice. The fellows are going to get in the 2 years, along with the strong coaching they're going to get from the seasoned professionals in the education who have been part of People for a very long time. The program is structured for 2 years. The phase 1 starts with a 1-month-long training, which is a pre-service training designed for the fellows, and the whole training is based on a simple model called See It, Name It and Do It, where the fellows are not just getting familiar to the techniques which work in the classroom, but they're also practicing it and seeing it from the more experienced teachers and coaches. The training is followed by a school immersion plan where the fellows are partnered with experienced teachers and they shadow them for a week or so to see whatever they have done, the practices they have done and practiced with their peers in the training, how they look like with students in the classroom. The school immersion makes them more confident for the phase 2, which is the independent teaching practice phase, where all the fellows are given an independent classroom of their own to practice what they have learned in the training in phase 1, and which is backed by coaching, co-planning and a lot of modeling by the teachers. Each fellow is partnered with a coach. The coaches come from the school leadership team, who can be an academic coordinator, senior teachers or mentor teachers. After the end of year 1, the fellows are given different pathways where they can choose to be at school and strengthen their teaching in the classroom as a class teacher, or move to scale to see how practices at school convert into scale programs to support the teacher training and to transfer the larger ecosystem. This fellowship is going to be very fruitful for the people who want to understand how primary education works and how highly engaged classrooms can transform education.